Hello and welcome back. So guys, there in this class I'm just gonna teach you some more things about the Bootstrap. I'm simply copying this one, okay, the previous one, the tabs, and just pasting there just after this UL, okay, inside the container but after the any element, and going to the browser and refreshing. Now this one is the new, but I just don't want the same thing. I'm just removing the tabs and simply typing pills, which is the new thing in the Bootstrap. Refresh. Now this is the new thing, the pills style, which is more beautiful. Actually, according to the use, you know the best. Maybe you can use this one or this one as well, so they both are looking perfect in their own ways. So by the way, what more I'm just gonna do is actually we can add the drop downs as well. I'm simply copying this one, the previous one's URL, the UL, and pasting there, and there again just removing the tabs and typing pills. Now everything is same. Refresh. Now you can see that when I just click on the button, I'm getting the list. So definitely this is actually the pills, but works in the same way as the tab did, but we can create the vertical pills as well. So I'm just going to show you how we can do this. So actually, if you just copy the first one again and just paste after this one's pill there, and then just add another thing. Okay, don't remove anything, just simply add the nav is tagged, nothing more than that. Refresh. Now you can see that this is the you can understand that this is the vertical pill. Well, if you just want to collapse this in a simple space, because that is really big area it's covering, so there I'm just setting the class of call md4 and then going inside and simply just cutting this one, pasting there, and then adding some extra tabs, as you know, to creating the readability. Now you can see that this is looking more beautiful. And the other thing is we can use the drop downs with the stacked way, the vertical pills as well. Just simply, you know that we just created the drop down here, and let's just mention the nav is tagged, and this will be the vertical, and definitely it will have the drop down because there is a drop down. So the other thing is, why not I just copy this one again, okay, and this pasting there, and now I'm just removing the nav is tagged because I just don't want this. Save and refresh. Now this is the new one, okay. So what I'm just gonna do is actually adding another nav, justified, save and refresh. Now you can see that actually if I just add the justified version of the nav, so what will happen, it's covering the space, the whole space of the call md4. If I just remove the call md4, then you will see what will happen. Save and refresh. Now you can see that it's just covering the whole space because it's now justified. It depends on its parent element now. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more things about the tabs and pills. Actually, we'll make them dynamic. We'll add some content in here as well, so stay tuned and goodbye.